Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I will teach you how to update your POCO C65 to the Xiaomi Hyper OS version. Installing the new version of the operating system is extremely easy to do. First, open your device's settings. Click on the first option where it says about the phone. We can see that our current version is MIUI 14, but if you wait a little, the update for Xiaomi HYPEROS will appear. If you do all these steps and the Xiaomi Hyper OS update does not appear, you will need to wait a little longer until the update appears for you. To install the new Xiaomi Hyper OS operating system, just click on the blue download button. As I am not connected to Wi-Fi but to mobile data, it will give me a warning that if I download now using mobile data, it will use up a lot of my internet. So it is crucial to install this update using Wi-Fi as it weighs 4 gigabytes. Once you are connected to Wi-Fi, just click on the blue download button. After that, just wait for the cell phone to restart with the new version. The video ends here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.